Hello, people on YouTube right now. I'm at a convenience store. That's right, parked outside of it. As you can see, the flashing open sign. And it's night. Night. So, I just got out of Walmart, and they had this in a crane machine. It only took me $1 to get it in a 50-cent machine. So, why not unbox it in here, instead of just waiting to get to my house? Oh, damn, it's gonna do that thing where... Oh. First I'll just pull these parts off, since I can't really keep them on if I'm gonna unbox the thing. Whoa. You will now stare at this box while I finish pulling these things off. Like, they had these on there to make it easy to grip or something. Damn. These are like sticker deals with hold thingies on them. I pulled some blue off the box. Huh. Okay, only one more of those to get off. There's a little bit of the back of the box. Ah, dang. You know what, I won't pull that one off the side. Ooh, I could probably... Yeah, maybe I'll be able to deal with that one on there. So, it has maze pieces on here, if you can see that right. Which for some reason stop off here, leaving this part mostly just blue. And look, it's got Pac-Man down there, and some ghosts on the side. And this Pac-Man is on the box 5 times. So, without further delay, the big moment. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dropped my pen. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Why it is night. The sun now, they are out now. So, in the box there's no instruction manual I can see, and if you look at the information, there is no copyright information telling you the year these were made, which makes me think this might be suspicious. Why don't we take my suspicions away? Whoa. So this Pac-Man obviously doesn't open and close its mouth, and the ghost is just a ghost. Well, Pac-Man ghost. However I'm supposed to say that. So let's see how these fuckers wind. I mean, let's see how these deals work. You're gonna go like that for a while, people. Okay, let's see here. Wind, wind, wind it up. Wind, wind, wind it up. Okay. Let's see how this one works. Huh? Oh, I barely winded it, didn't I? Whoa. Okay, I guess this would work better if I went outside of my car and did this. So look at my 3DS and my SP while I do this. Okay. Here we are on the pavement of the store or whatever. As you can hear all these cars passing by. Okay. Wind, wind, wind it up. Okay, let's see how this thing works. Ah, it winds around in a circle. And it suddenly stopped. Probably because I'm doing this on concrete or whatever, and I probably shouldn't be. Okay, so the ghost is going in its own rhythm now. I better put the ghost somewhere else before it ends up winding off the hill, and who knows where Pac-Man's going. But yeah. Here we are, back in the car. Well, those are the new... Well, these are the Pac-Man wind-up toys I got out of a crane machine in Walmart. See you on my next video.